Hey boys and girls, welcome back to math. So glad you can join me today. Alright, so far we have talked about 3 different strategies to use to solve addition problems. So today, boys and girls, what you are going to do is in Seesaw, there is an assignment loaded for you there, and it's all on addition problems. And you guys are going to pick the strategy that works best for you. Let's take a review real fast before you get started. Okay, so your assignment is going to look a little bit similar to this. It'll say use a strategy to solve the problems. Make sure to show your mathematical thinking. So I'm going to do a few different examples for you. My first problem is 25 plus 61. Now it is up to you for which strategy you like that gets you the right answer, that you feel the most comfortable with, that you really understand it to use. So let's look at this first problem. If I did 25 plus 61 and I really like drawing and building the numbers, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show my mathematical thinking right here. If I have my tens and then my ones, and then I draw 25, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I draw my 61 right underneath it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 1. And now I'm ready to add them up. I'm going to write it, I also want to write it like this. So I'm showing my mathematical thinking by drawing my tens and my ones. And then I rewrite the problem going up and down. So now I add with my ones. 5 ones plus 1 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And then I have 20 plus 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So my answer is 86. And then I rewrite the sum right up here. 86. Now let's say that the strategy that I really like to use is breaking apart strategy. So if I chose not a strategy because I'm really good at it and I really understand it and I always get my answers right, then I might choose to show that one, 31 plus 41. And when I write it, I'm not going to worry about all those parentheses. I'm just going to say, okay, well, I know my tens, so I'm going to do 30 plus 40 equals, what does that equal? That's right, 70. Oops, that's 7, looks more like a 1, 70. Then I add my ones. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then I have to add my tens together and my ones. And I get the sum of 72. So 31 plus 41 equals 72. So what I don't want you guys doing is just writing down the answer. I want to see your mathematical thinking. Now let's say that I really enjoy doing a number line. I may not have a lot of room. Sorry about that, guys. What I was saying was I may not have a lot of room, so I might just want to get a scratch piece of paper to do my open number line and then take a picture of that on Seesaw as well. But I'm going to see if I have room. Let me pick another color, 74 plus 21. Let me do gold. Whoops, didn't change. Gold. So, if I have 74 on my number line, yeah, I don't really have a lot of room right here to show my mathematical thinking. So if you choose to do it on number line, go ahead and do it on a piece of notebook paper, like I said, and submit it on to Seesaw with your work. So what you can do is on your notebook paper, you would do draw your open number line, do 74, and then I'm going to add 20. So I am going to do 2 groups of 10 plus 10 plus 10, because 10 plus 10 is 20. So 74 plus 10 is 84. 84 plus 10 is, that's right, 94. And then I have one more to add, plus 1, which gets me 95. So I'm going to go ahead and write the sum right up here. But like I said, this little box doesn't give me a lot of room to do my number line. So I can do number line on a piece of blank paper or notebook paper, and then take a screenshot of it with my camera to submit in a Seesaw. So boys and girls, it is up to you for which strategy you wanted to use. But again, I don't want to just see one answer. I wanted to see the answer with your mathematical thinking. So have fun. Bye, guys.